Renunciation. Naked I saw thee, O beauty of beauty, and I blinded my eyes for fear I should fail. I heard thy music, O melody of melody, and I closed my ears for fear I should falter. I tasted thy mouth, O sweetness of sweetness, and I hardened my heart for fear of my slaying. I blinded my eyes and I closed my ears, I hardened my heart and I smothered my desire. I turned my back on the vision I had shaped, and to this road before me I turned my face. I have turned my face to this road before me, to the deed that I see, and the death I shall die.